Did your speaker die? Can you not afford to get one? Well, I have a cheap, easy, and quick solution for you. You can make a speaker with items laying around your house. Want to see how? Keep watching to find out. To make the speaker, you will need 2 plastic cups, a paper towel roll, a pencil, scissors, and a phone to play music off of. First, take the paper towel roll and your pencil, and grab your phone and place it in the middle and the center of the paper towel roll. Then begin tracing a box around your phone. After you're done tracing the box, take your scissors and begin cutting out the box you just traced. Next, take your 2 plastic cups and cut out the bottom of them. When you finish cutting out the bottom of your 2 cups, take your roll and place them on each end. You can use the speaker when you are hanging out with friends or even doing your homework. If you were in need of a speaker, I hope you take the time to try this one out.